What do we have here at Unique, especially in classics? Not going to see one of these every day. It's a 2004 Maybach 57, chassis number 291, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 67,907 is all in this one. And listen to this, underneath the hood, 5.5 liter, twin turbo V12, 542 horse, 664 pound-feet of torque. Great hood ornament on the car. Gotta love that insignia. Grille. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the engine bay in that V12. You're gonna be able to see the undersides, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Maybach wheels, again with that insignia on the center cap. Continental radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the two-tone, black and silver. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and then, of course, at the very end of the video, Jason will take this for a drive. Of course, these cars were known for being luxurious and powerful all at the same time. Sold for over $350,000 new, and you can buy it at a fraction of the cost now. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician that service this one. Brakes are at 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. Speaking of rear, new rear tires. If you like these luxurious imports, maybe cars you just don't see every day, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. This is a prime example. I want to show you the rear seats in this car. Of course, you have two screens behind each front seat. I love this. You have a gauge cluster for the rear seat occupants. And luxury, like I said, over the top. All the amenities, the options. Check out the still pictures. Do some research on them. Talking power seats, both sides in the rear. Listen how that door closes. Power seats both sides in the front. Again, all the modern amenities. Condition of the seats. Car's in incredible shape. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. I'll show you the exact miles also. Like I said, 67,000 right there, 67,907. And the radio's working, as you can see. Now, there is a service for safety restraint system. Make you aware of that. Car is started and running, and you cannot hear it inside this car. It's probably the quietest car I've ever been in, as far as eliminating exterior noise. Of course, navigation system, electronic climate control, again, power shade for the rear window. Too much that I'll never list everything that this car has. Like I said, if you're interested in one of these and have done your research on it, you're going to know it inside and out. Of course, power sunroof. Luxurious bucket seats, no doubt about that. And for a twin turbo V12, you cannot hardly hear it run. Take a listen. Very quiet. Tell you what, let's pop the hood, take a peek underneath the hood so you see the engine bay. Like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Any questions, 507-386-1726. Call and consult with a sales associate. Like I said, there is so much to go over in this car. If you're interested in one of these, you're going to have a great knowledge from the research you've already done. It's a beautiful example. It's a clean Carfax, spent the majority of its life in California. Definitely give us a call on it if you're looking. And let's get this hood pop, check out the engine bay. And like I said, Jason will take it for a drive at the end of the video. All right, underside of the hood, absolutely spotless. And there it is. That twin turbo V12. Obviously very smooth running, quiet. And performance, 542 horse, 664 pound-feet of torque. It's crazy. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2004 Maybach 57, a luxury car that you can definitely tell is luxurious, quiet, and powerful. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Cruise control works on this car. When you push your foot down, like I just did, you almost forget it's a luxury vehicle because it takes off like a sports car. Quietly though, and in a refined way, but it puts you back in your seat. All the great things about automobiles. And Maybach, if you research, they've been around since the early days, the 1800s originally. Our temperature gauge is a little over 80 Celsius. The fuel gauge is reading under half a tank. Speedometer working as it should, and tachometer as well. But for a light that tells us our trunk is open when it's actually not open, a few sensors like that, this car is very, very nice. The stereo sounds great. The AC's blowing cold, keeping me comfortable. If you can think of a power accessory, this car likely has it. Very comfortable bucket seats. Traffic is continuing to put in my way here. Alright, here we go. First time driving a Maybach, and it is impressive. I mean, you can't hear anything like this. It is nice and quiet. The luxury automobile at its finest. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2004 Maybach at UniqueClassicCars.com.